lights were fading, the train departs, my heart is breaking. The cold wind makes me wish to find warmth in your arms. Just a moment more, a scene engraved that I don't want to replay. Last train, don't rush to leave. Just one more glance, a tender hand in hand. So many words of love left unsaid, words that you will never hear me say. I leave the station with your voice still near, the engine's echo ringing sharp and clear. Which broken hearts are watching it turn around, your waving hand a scene with no mercy found. Last train, don't rush to leave. Just one more glance, a tender hand in hand. So many words of love left still unsaid, words that you will never hear me say. Even now when the damp day starts, I remember the station sighs, your face on the glass, that uncertainty in your eyes. And still I'm waiting to hold you in my arms. Each knock at the door and telephone call, my heart believes it's you through it all. At night we dance in my imagination, a promise that might fade away.